Have you considered buying a home this summer, but didn't because you're worried about the higher interest rates? Well, this may go against the fear-mongering you're hearing out there, but purchasing a home this summer can still be a smart move, even with these interest rates in the 6.5% to 7% range, and here's why. Buying in the summer, especially in Denver, Douglas County areas, offers unique advantages. First, there's less competition in the market. Many buyers are more active during the spring, leaving the summer season relatively quieter. With fewer buyers, you have a better chance of finding the right home without engaging in bidding wars or facing stiff competition. Additionally, the summer brings favorable inventory levels, meaning more homes to choose from. With a wider selection available, you can take your time carefully considering your options and making a more informed decision. Waiting for interest rates to drop before buying may actually backfire. Increased demand often leads to future price hikes. By purchasing now, you can avoid these price increases caused by higher demand in the future. And remember, even with higher interest rates, you have the option to refinance your mortgage when rates decrease. This can help you secure a lower interest rate and potentially reduce your monthly payments, making homeownership more affordable in the long run. The Denver and Castle Rock areas have shown consistent growth and resilience in the real estate markets. Despite higher interest rates, there is still a strong potential for long-term value appreciation. Don't let higher interest rates hold you back from your home ownership dreams this summer. Reach out to me for expert guidance and to learn more about the local real estate markets in the Denver or Castle Rock areas. Or to learn more, you can also visit my blog and read the full article on this topic. Let me help you make an informed decision on whether buying or not this summer is right for you. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to reach out or message me with any questions.